Aloha everyone! I'm Gabby
And I'm Georgie,
and we are the mummies of Sisterhood Furniture
and content creators for Dixie Belle Paint.
In this tutorial, we will be working on this nest of tables and make them glamorous with the help of Dixie Belle Paint.
We're gonna paint them in black and gold, so stay with us if you want to see all the process.
Let's do it!
I started by slightly sanding the top of the table to remove any imperfections and have an abrasive surface so the paint will properly stick to it. After sanding, we clean them with white lightening Dixie Belle Furniture cleaner and an abrasive cloth to remove the dirt, grease prior to painting. Then I rinse the tables twice only with water to remove any leftover solution or dirt. After a few hours drying time, I started to paint the tables with black using caviar from Dixie Belle Paint. I use a synthetic brush and water, which will give us a smooth finish. If you feel like the paint dries, just mix some water and it will reactivate, and also keep the brush strokes away. The next thing we are gonna do with these tables is applying Dixie Shine in Gold. This foil is absolutely amazing, insanely elegant and shiny. First, we need to apply Dixie Shine glue on the areas we want to apply the golden foil. In this case, we will fully cover the top, and on the legs I will just go over with a brush in random direction and spots. So the black underneath will still be peeking through here and there.
Once we were done, we sealed the tables with 3 layers of gator hide from Dixie Belle, letting each go to dry for about 2 hours.
And this is the final result! Thank you so much for watching our sparkly tutorial, and hope to see you again in the next one. Please don't forget to subscribe if you are enjoying our tutorials, and yeah, see you soon. Bye!